The symbol of Tom that realized the significance of education as the instrument to set human beings free through Saint Louis-Marie Grignion de Montfort, motto of God alone, which has more numerous people to perpetuate his mission in the same direction. One of this group of people is the congregation of the Brother of Saint Gabriel, who have dedicated themselves for the education of children and youth so that they will become good and worthy global citizens. This congregation has spread out to establish education institutions throughout every continent in the world. This idealism of Saint Montfort has existed for 300 years because the Brothers of Saint Gabriel are profoundly inspired by Saint Montfort, whose idealism had led everybody around him to brightest path and made them fervently seek for the eternal wisdom. Presently, the congregation of Brothers of Saint Gabriel has her headquarters in Rome, Italy. This is under the supervision of the Superior General by the name of Rev. Brother John Calacato. There are approximately 1,300 brothers spreading throughout 31 countries all over the world in Thailand. Rev. Brother Dr. Deshachai Sipichan is the provincial superior. At present, the Foundation of the Brothers in Thailand has 17 education institutions under their supervision. These include Montfort College, Chiang Mai, which is the third education institution of the Foundation in Thailand. With the commitment of organizing education for youth in Thailand in 1972, the Brothers of Saint Gabriel of Thailand established Montfort College in Chiang Mai, with Father Renémoniare as the manager and Brother Simeon Rhicol as the first director to provide formal education for Chiang Mai students, according to Saint Louis-Marie Grignion de Montfort's spirit, which aim at leading human beings to the eternal truth through our education, with the vision of the school for eternal wisdom, with the following philosophy. 1. The ultimate goal of life is to know the truth and to attain Dharma, which is the origin of life. 2. Labor OMNIA VINCIT, which means hard work leads to success in life. To put these two philosophies into practice, Montfort College has analyzed the education component, both procedure, origin, objective, and other factors to form a cycle which we name the Montfort Way. This is the cycle of development for students to become a person who is warm, kind, ethical, and universal in character. Full refers to the optimum development in all dimensions: social, physical, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual. Warm is the quality of being dependable and happy to live with. Kind is the quality of being hospitable and serviceable to fellow human beings and the society. Ethical is the quality of being good and happy with oneself and living with contextual moral principles. Universal in character refers to possess skill, knowledge, proficiency, and living graciously on earth. In the driving process of the school toward the future with international standard is the move toward the era of competition. Therefore, the most significant factors is for everyone to collaborate together and develop education quality of the school toward the future with purpose. Under the administrative structure with Brother Dr. Sulakit Sisalan Kunwong as the school director, with all the teachers and education personnel both Thai and international numbering 241 together, with school official and worker of 71 and 3,112 students. The administration of the school consists of 5 departments, including academic, student affairs, general management, General Administration, and Financial and Director Office. From the past to the present, Montfort College has been well taken care of by the foundation and has done great benefit to the society and the country. Many alumni of Montfort College have served the country in various high and important positions, such as the Prime Minister, Minister, high-ranking civil service officer, military, police officer, medical doctors, judges, teacher, university lecturer, businessmen, and scholar. With the spirit of hard work and perseverance of all parties, Montfort College has organized the educational process according to Montfort way, so that the students will have their own identities, characteristics of being persons who are full, warm, kind, ethical, and with universal character in a concrete manner. The outcome of Montfort College students is evident, which brought about the reputation of the school, academically as well as music and sport activities. These outcomes are both at the national and international level. This factor combines superbly effective development and progress of the school. The 88 years history of Montfort College has sufficiently reflected excellent achievement worth keeping in mind in a meaningful manner as the school moves forward to the future with determination and purpose. From this time forward, in order to perpetuate this legacy and commitment of our predecessors, we pledge to preserve the organization culture effectively and develop it further as the saying of our motto, Labor Omnia Vincit.